As we negate the complexities of climate change, it's essential to understand the carbon footprint. If we choose to ignore its significance, we risk exacerbating the problem. Unless we take immediate actions to reduce our carbon emissions, the consequence will be severe. If we had taken proactive measures earlier, we might have mitigated the damage. But it's not too late to make a change. In this discussion, we will delve into the world of carbon footprints, exploring its definition, causes, and consequences, as well as potential solutions to reduce our impact on the environment. Environmental consequences. Number 1. If we don't reduce our carbon footprint, the polar ice caps will continue to melt. Number 2. Unless we take action to reduce our carbon emissions, extreme weather events will become more frequent. Number 3. If we had reduced our carbon footprint earlier, we will not be experiencing the severe droughts and heat waves we are seeing today. Social consequences. Number 1. If we don't address climate change, millions of people will be displaced from their homes. Number 2. Unless we take action to reduce our carbon footprint, food and water scarcity will become a major issue. Number 3. If we had taken action to reduce our carbon footprint earlier, we will not be seeing the social and economic impacts of climate change that are seen today. Economic consequences. Number 1. If we don't reduce our carbon footprint, the economic cost of climate change will continue to rise. Number 2. Unless we take action to reduce our carbon emissions, the impacts of climate change on industries such as agriculture and tourism will be devastating. Number 3. If we had invested in renewable energy sources earlier, we will not be facing the economic risks associated with climate change that we are facing today.
Our planet is changing, and one of the main reasons is the carbon footprint. But what is it and what causes it?
The carbon footprint is the amount of greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide, CO2, that we release into the atmosphere through our daily activities.
One of the main causes is transportation. Cars, trucks, and airplanes burn fossil fuels, releasing large amounts of carbon dioxide. Choosing sustainable transportation like bicycles, public transit, or electric vehicles can help reduce this impact.
Factories also generate a large amount of emission by producing clothes, electronic, and other products we use every day. Reducing unnecessary consumption and choosing sustainable products helps lower our carbon footprint.
Trees absorb carbon dioxide and help clean the air, but deforestation reduces this capacity and increases pollution. Protecting forests and planting trees is an effective way to combat the carbon footprint.
Electricity can also generate CO2 if it comes from polluting sources like coal or gas. Saving energy and using renewable sources like solar or wind power helps reduce pollution.
Meat production generates methane, a very potent greenhouse gas. Additionally, transporting food from the one country to another burns large amount of fuel. Eating less meat, choosing local products, and avoiding food waste are ways to reduce our carbon footprint.
Reducing the carbon footprint is hard-hand. It's more action like using sustainable transportation, saving energy and protection forests and making a difference. The planet needs us. Are you ready to help?
Reducing the carbon footprint involves action at individual, business, and governmental levels. Here are some solutions. Number 1. Energy and transportation. Use renewable energy grow. The solar, wind, and hydraulic. Improve energy efficiency at home and industries. Opt for transportation, public, bicycle, or electric vehicles. Reduce flights and choose virtual meetings whenever possible. Number 2. Consumption and lifestyle. Buy local and seasonal products to reduce transportation emissions. Reduce meat and dry combustion, as livestock farming is a major emitter of gases. Choose reusable products with minimal packaging. Number 3. Waste and recycling. Properly separate waste and recycling. Avoid single-use plastics. Compost organic waste to reduce methane emission in landfills. Number 4. Business and governments. Implement emission reduction policies in industries. Promote incentives for clean energy and sustainable transportation. Protect forests and encourage reforestation. Number 5. Carbon offsetting. Support reforestation of clean energy projects. Invest in carbon capture and stronger programs. Every action counts. Which are would you like to focus on?